Hello everyone, this is Sakshi and I am a first year BSc Nursing student at GMC Bhopal. In this video, I'll be sharing my journey from passing plus 2 to this. So guys, this is Sakshi and I welcome you all wholeheartedly on my new channel, PNS Teachers. I have cleared this exam with all MD rank 142 and the rank of 74 category wise as OBC. When government has passed the orders for the opening of colleges, and I was also among all the students who are eagerly waiting for their colleges to open. So what I did was I just filled the counselling form for the common government. The day of verification of documents, my aunt suggested and introduced PNST to me, and that day I got to know about it for the first time. By that time, I started to search its syllabus, the exam pattern and everything related to PNST. PNST stands for Pre-Nursing Selection Test. Started to read every chapter just to make sure that I memorize everything that is given to in this chapter and then watch a YouTube short lecture. But I was not that serious before the application form arrived. On 3rd of Jan, I got to know that the MPPB site is going to release the application form from 5th of Jan to the 19th Jan. I filled my application form on 7th of Jan and I got very serious about my studies from that time. I decided to make a strategy to complete my biology 11th and 12th NCERT books by the date of 19th Jan so that I get sufficient time for my revision. After reading both the NCERT books, I got some idea of making notes and prepare strategies for my revision, and I did the same. Just after finishing all the 2 books, I started to read them again so that I will have a sufficient time to memorize all of them in my book. And then I have given 5 days for the chemistry portion. I studied all the part 1 and part 2 of class 12 very thoroughly and then given the next 2 and 3 days for the physics portion, and I just revised all the basic concepts that I know already. It was just 5 days before my exam, and what I did was I just read my NCERT again and started to solve the last year question papers and the sample papers by the next 2 days. My exam was on 7th Feb, so I finished everything including the 2 to 3 years question paper by the date of 6th Feb. On the day of examination, I woke up early and revised everything that I have learned in the earlier days, and then my father dropped me to my center. I was little scared at that time too because every student that had arrived at that time was 2 to 3 years senior than me. I just closed my eyes at that time and said, "Chal yaar, dekh lenge." After checking the admit card, we are directed to our respective rooms for giving that exam. We waited there for 1 and more than 1 hour. After submitting the test and clicking on the finish button, I excitedly jumped over there and said, "Yay! I got 85! Everyone's eyes were on me. I got little hesitated, but I was really very happy for what I have achieved. I came out from the exam center and called my parents. They were really so happy when I gave this information that yes, they are too, I got 85. Then I called my friends. They arrived to take me up and we had a great time together after a very long time. I reached home and saw the smiling faces of everyone. My aunt who suggested PNST to me, my parents and my Dadaji, they all are smiling. They all were so happy really. I got a new smile when I talk about that moment. Everyone was happy at that time. So, how was the story? Do share yours too in the comment section below. Do like, subscribe and share my account. Thank you.